Hey guys, welcome back to Art of Study. So, in our Java programming journey, today's problem statement is write a Java program that demonstrates the use of linked list collection to perform the following operations. Create a linked list to store names, specifically string or string objects. Then second is add two names to the end of the list. Then third is remove the first element from the list, and the last is display all remaining elements in reverse order using an iterator. Now let's start with the program. So this is the program. Now I'll explain each and every word. So our first line is import java.util.star. So import is a Java keyword used to include external classes or packages into current program. Then java.util is a package name that contains utility classes and the collection framework. Then star is a wildcard that imports all the classes from java.util package. Then semicolon is a statement terminator in Java. Then the next line is public class linked list example and opening curly bracket. Public is an access modifier that makes this class accessible from anywhere. Then class is a keyword to declare a class in Java. Then linked list example is the name of the class which must match with the file name. That's why our file name is linked list example.java. Then opening curly bracket of the class. Then next line is public static void main string args. So again public is an access modifier making main method accessible to JVM. Then static it allows JVM to call this method without creating an object. Then void is a return type indicating this method does not return any value. Then main is a special method name that JVM looks for as the entry point. Then string args, parameter accepting command line arguments as an array of strings. Then opening curly bracket of main method. Then the next line is linked list string names is equal to new linked list string parenthesis. So the first linked list is a class from java.util package implementing doubly linked list data structure. Then inside angular brackets string is a generic type parameter specifying that this linked list will only store string objects. Then names, it is a reference variable name for the linked list object. Then is equal to is an assignment operator. Then new is a keyword to create a new object in memory. Then again linked list inside angular bracket string and then parenthesis. So it is a constructor call to create an empty linked list object, and semicolon is a statement terminator. Then names dot add. Now we are going to add the elements. Here we are adding the four elements. So names is a reference to the linked list object. Then dot is a dot operator to access the method of an object. Then add is a method that adds an element at the end of the list. Then next is mango is a string argument to be added to the list. Then semicolon is a statement terminator. Same for the below three lines. Names is the reference to the linked list. Dot is a dot operator to access. Then add is a method that adds an element at the end of the list. Then inside parenthesis, inside double quotes, we have written apple, banana, grapes, which are the string argument to be added to the list, and semicolon is a statement terminator. Then we have to delete first element of the list. So so the next is name names dot remove first. Next second. Names dot remove first parenthesis semicolon. So names is a reference to the linked list. Here reference variable we have already created. Then dot is operator to access the methods. Then remove first is a method that removes and returns the first element from the list. Then parenthesis we have used to denote the method, and then semicolon is a statement terminator. Then we have to display the content of the list in reverse order. So iterator. Next line is iterator inside angular brackets string, means it is an interface type of for iterating over collections in reverse order. Then itr is a reference variable for the iterator object. Then is equal to is an assignment operator. Then names dot descending iterator is a method that returns an iterator for traversing the list in reverse order. Then as always, semicolon is a statement terminator. Then the execution. An iterator object is created that point to the last element of the list ready to reverse backward. ITR points to the position after graves, means ready to iterate in reverse. Then the next is while itr dot has next. While is a loop keyword that repeats as long as condition is true. Then itr dot has next is a condition checking if there are more elements to iterate. Then means itr is a iterator reference. Dot has next is a method returning true if more elements exist and false if otherwise, and the opening curly bracket of this loop. Then we are printing the element system.out.println itr.next. So system is a predefined class in java.lang package. Out is a static member of system class for output, that is print stream object. Then .println is a method to print data followed by a new line. Then itr.next gets the next element from iterator. itr.next is a method that returns a current element and moves iterator to the next position. And semicolon is a statement terminator. Now we will execute this program. So first we will compile this program, and the command is java c linklist example.java, and the execution command is java LinkedList example. Yes, so here see, here it is printed. So here the first sequence is what? Mango, apple, banana and grapes. Then we deleted the first element, that is mango, and then we printed the elements in descending order, that is grapes, then banana, then apple. So this is the result of this program, and this is how the linked list operations are going to take place in Java. So if you really learn from this video, enjoyed this video very much, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share with your other friends so they will also learn the each and every thing, detail in each and every detail in this programs. For more such video, please subscribe to this channel, Art of Study. Thank you so much. Bye bye.